I have a rectifier diode here, which we talked about in a previous video. Today we're going to look at a full bridge rectifier, and this has 4 diodes in it. And with this device, you put AC on 2 of the leads, and from the other leads you get a pulsating direct current, which gives you both sides of the sine wave on one side of the sine. And I have the same thing on the board here, where we will take a measurement of the bridge rectifier on the DC side, and this should pop up on your screen. It's the very same thing as you see down here, and I have the AC voltage on the top, and you can see we're going to convert it so it looks like the DC pulsating voltage on the bottom using the full bridge rectifier. The interesting thing about this is you will get pretty much the same voltage on the DC side as you would on the AC side. On the other type of where you had only a half sine wave, you only got half the voltage, but this gives you pretty much the full voltage. You lose just a little bit through the electronics on it, but not very much. So I will get off screen and we'll take a look at what this looks like. I've got my power quality meter set up, and let's first take a look at the AC coming off of the transformer and see what that looks like. And you can see we're getting a full sine wave, and it's showing 28.1 volts. And I mentioned in the other video, I don't know if I mentioned it here, this is a 24 volt nominal transformer, and unloaded you will actually see about 28 volts, but once you load it up it drops down some. So what happens now when we go through our rectifier? Let's take a look. I'll just move these. And as you can see, we now have all of the sine wave on one side of the line, and so we are actually looking at a direct current of a pulsating type, and we have 27.37 volts. So we lose a little bit, like about a volt, going through all of the diodes, but that's all you lose. So we've just made a 27 or 28 volt AC signal into a 27 volt DC signal. Thanks for watching. Please hit the thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, and check out the links we have below. Come back for new videos. We should be adding content each week. And finally, visit the Taking Measure website.